Hello everyone, I'm Brut Code. I'm a 14-year-old developer. Welcome to Brut Code, and in this channel you learn Web3 coding from a 14-year-old guy. Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to fork a blockchain for development. So if you are a blockchain developer, you would have already guessed what I am talking about. So if you have ever deployed a smart contract on public testnets, you would have experienced time lags and also the unavailability of some smart contracts or etc. So what happens is that if you use a local blockchain like Ganache etc, you need to, if you wanted to interact with other dApps contracts like the Uniswap v2 contract or the DAI contract or the contract of the tokens deployed on any blockchain, you would have to self deploy them on Ganache, which is a very big headache for developers who have a very tight time schedule. So today I'm going to show you how you can fork a blockchain without deploying the smart contracts that you want to interact with again on the forked blockchain. So let's get started with it. So first of all, I'll switch to my desktop view. So I was working on this hackathon, and I wanted to deploy my smart contracts on Goerli and Sepolia. As you would know that Robston and Drinkb are already depreciated. I was using Goerli and Sepolia, but Goerli and Sepolia did not have the capability of the smart contract compatibility was not very much. So today I'm going to fork a blockchain and show you. So we could fork the mainnet or the testnet etc. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'll show you a website called BuildBear. So if you go to buildbear.io and if you log in with your GitHub account, you would get this website. You would get this site where you have your endpoints. So if you just click on create, I already have one working. So this, I think I had actually forked Polygon ZK EVM blockchain. So if testnet blockchain. So if you don't know what is Polygon ZK EVM, you could head over to their website. It is their new blockchain with ZK snarks integrated in it. So for now, let's create another node. So forking URL, here you could add the RPC URL of the network you want to fork. If I open up my Metamask and if I just log in, okay, then I could search for the network I want to fork. So let's see if I could fork Polygon network. So if I go here and if I go in settings and if I go in networks and click on Polygon, another Metamask tab will open up. And if I copy this RPC URL, so RPC URL is basically an endpoint that allows you to transact with. So if I just paste this over here, Polygon RPC, and I think it's detecting. So okay, so when we inputted the forking URL, the BuildBear already understood that we are forking the Polygon mainnet. And if I just say yes, and if I just say create, and it says hooray, your node is being created, it will be live shortly. I click OK, and I think this is another node. So if I click the RPC URL, you see here this is the old one, the Polygon ZK EVM fork, and this is the new one, which is the Polygon mainnet fork. If I and another use case of this BuildBear website is that you could easily ask for funds. So before asking for funds, I would just add this to Metamask. So if I open up Metamask and I say approve and I say switch network, so it says successfully added. So now we have the network on our Metamask. So if I just open up and you see the charming Nash, this is the old one, like Blackware. So this is again that Polygon ZK EVM fork, and this is charming Nash, which is the newly created. So if you see here, the balance is 14.7933. So this means if you see here 14.7933 matic on the polygon mainnet, and our fork also has the 14.7933 BB ETH. So this means that the fork is really very very proper. You could also ask for funds from the faucet. So if I choose my wallet account and I say get BB ETH, so I got, now my new balance is 1014.79. so that's the faucet. So you don't have to worry about the funds, etc. And also you could view the explorer. So this is now the explorer of the build bear, the custom charming Nash node. So before searching this explorer, let's go into remix. And if I just go into files and I open up any sample smart contract, like let's say owner, this is a simple smart contract which comes with remix as default. So now what I'll do is I'll compile it. If I just compile, so it's compiled successfully. If I go to deploy and I hit injected provider metamask, and you could see our custom 8369 network. So I think the funds have not arrived yet, or it's not showing here yet, but the funds arrive. They actually need some time because it's a large amount. Till the funds arrive, we could easily deploy the smart contract. So if I just hit deploy, this will deploy our smart contract on the Polygon mainnet fork, as you see here. So you could adjust the gas over here. So if I just say you increase it for faster transactions, I hit confirm, and it says, or does it say that is too low for the next lag? So I think it's complaining about the gas fee. I'll just go with the default gas fee for now. I'll just say aggressive, and if I just confirm, and the transaction is confirmed, and you get to see your contract over here. You see get owner, and you see change ownership. If you copy the contract address, and if you go to build bear explorer, and if you search the contract address, and wait, and yeah, so we get this contract, and you see the transactions over here and the contract over here. So you could also verify the code over here. So this is a very superior type of superior type of explorer. So if you just submit a ABI, so if you go here, if you go to the deploy tab, and okay, let me just see. If I go here, and if I copy the ABI, and if I just paste the ABI over here, and if I hit save, no read functions, there are write functions. Change ownership, yes, but read contract, it's not showing, but write contract, you could easily change the owner. So let's see. If I open up my MetaMask, so you see the funds have arrived 1014. And if I change change to my second wallet, and if I copy this and I paste it over here, and if I say right, please connect your, okay, so we'll have to connect our Web3 wallet. And if I just say not this, because only the owner has the right to change the ownership of the contract, so that makes sense. So if I connect with the owner account and I change the new owner to the second account, and this transaction should pass. So if I just say, so I think I have configured my MetaMask for the wrong gas fees. I just go with the aggressive, and it is confirmed. So now if I go into remix, and if I go into the deploy tab, and you see this is my first account over here, but if I hit get owner now, it is the second account over here. So this is just like Etherscan. And you could also this is currently so enter address or hash. So if you search for this address, and you go over here, search over here, see 2 minutes ago, a few minutes ago, you see transaction fee, you see the interactions, and you also see the ownership transferred from this to this. So this is a very superior superior forking option for you. And if you just okay, so if I search the owner account, you see the transactions over here, and you could easily verify the transactions also. If I open up the explore transaction hash, you could see here the overview, the logs, the advanced. So this is very advanced, very minute details are shown over here, like advanced. In advance you see the trace, so it says create unknown contract. So this is the opcodes. This is the lowest level of the EVM. This is the language that the EVM understands. Opcodes, create. So this is very minute details. So this is very nice for us. Moving on to the second option, if you want to fork blockchain, let me just shift to my desktop. And if I open up my terminal, and if I type Ganache CLI, and I would fork the public ZK EVM testnet. So public ZK EVM testnet is the Polygon ZK EVM testnet, and -f options is that fork that testnet. So another option of forking a blockchain is Ganache. If I hit enter and it's forking, let's give it a minute or so. And okay, so we have forked the chain. You could see the location, the block, the network ID, the time, etc. And you could see you have got 10 accounts with 1000 ETH starting with 0, and you got the private keys and etc. So we have forked the ZK EVM testnet with Ganache, and we have forked the Polygon mainnet with Build, and you could easily interact with Uniswap contracts, and then the DAI contract, etc. easily from here, because each and every contract that is verified on the Explorer or on the blockchain Explorer is verified here also. So any contract that is verified, it can be interacted with in the fork blockchain, which is worth remembering. Other than that, this was all for the video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more such notifications. And also be sure to join the ETH India event. I would be very happy to see you there. And currently my application is under review, and December 2nd it's in Bangalore, and I hope to see you all there. Other than that, please follow me on Twitter. So my Twitter @Brut. I post all the important things that a developer needs to know on Twitter. So I have not currently signed in over here, but I would sign in and show you. So my Twitter account is @Brut, and also stay updated with the news. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.